Hello everyone, Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay, and I would like to welcome to my channel Learn Coding with Vinay-SQL for Dev. This is a dedicated channel where we are discussing SQL stuffs, right? And I'm thrilled to kick off a new brand video series where we will be diving into two of the most important and essential concepts of SQL, which are store procedures and join. We will be using e-commerce project example and try to go over possible use cases or scenarios and cover possible store procedure and join variants. Right. So let me tell you what I am exactly want to say over here. So we will go over business cases or use cases or scenarios that will cover CRUD procedures, right? Create, update, delete, read, get all record, get by id, get a single record, right? Store procedure example that returns a single value, that returns a single result set, sometime multiple result set, right? Store procedure example with input and output variables, store procedure with optional parameters, right? And store procedure that are used in summarizing the data or reports module, right? And we will also try to go over possible join example, right, in this video series. So we'll also go over possible SQL based practices. While we are coding, while we are writing TSQL, we will try to go over possible best code examples also, right? So let's dive deep into this further, and let's discuss the tables involved in e-commerce project in next video. And if you are excited to start this journey, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, which is Learn Coding with Vinay-SQL for Dev, so that you don't miss any episode of these. And always, if you have any suggestions, if you you have any question, drop your question in the comment section of the any of this video, right? So see you in the next video. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video.